Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back in another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing for you the BlackRock high-vis yellow jacket. You can get this in many different colors: black, pink, orange, green, like a proper dark green. Yeah, they do quite a few colors and different sizes, all the way up to extra large. Okay guys, let me turn the flash on. Let's see if this is reflective or not. Oh yeah, the buns are, there you go. I was saying this isn't very reflective, but these buns are. Okay, so this is £3 something. I got it for £3.60. Right now it's gone down to £3.20. Depends who's selling it, but if it's sold by Amazon it's about £3.60, which is cheap. So I got this to use while cycling at night, even though I'm not gonna cycle much. But yeah, safety is #1 priority, guys. Let's go ahead and open this. You know what? Let's turn the flash on. I like the color glow. This is your specification for £3. Let's see, guys. It's quite soft actually. Smells okay. Oh, very nice actually. Very nice. Oh, look at that. Okay, I might have got too big of a size, but it is what it is. Oh, I like that. Very nice, guys. Yeah, so these buns are what glows. Very reflective, as you can see. Bloody hell, that is beautiful. Let's see what I can do with this. Wow. Yeah, that's your reflective. Is the front reflective as well? Let's have a look. Should be, yeah. So that's your front view. That's what it's going to look like from the front. So that's not bad, is it, guys? Roll this out the way. Zoom out a bit. There you go. That's what the front's going to look like. That's pretty cool. I like it. And yeah, I might have got a bit too much big size. I think this is Velcro. Yep, exactly as I was thinking. Bloody hell. Yeah, Velcro, very strong Velcro. Yeah, box standard inside, quite soft actually. So yeah, I'm impressed. I did want to get the pink color, but the pink was sold out. Most of these actually sold out, so you just stuck with whatever color you get, I guess. But yeah, very high quality. Highly recommend this product. And yeah, stay safe, guys. I'll have a link in the description for this specific one, or you can check out from that link. You can check out the other styles they have as well. It's worth it. I think this is the best one that they sell. eBay it is similar price, so why not? So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye.